Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got another Royal HH on the bench. This is the problem we're going to look at today. And it's a common problem with these Royals, not just the HHs, but where the arm sticks. See, this return arm is sticking. And so I have already flushed the pivot right here. You can get to that pretty easy under here. And the spring is good. And the ratchet looks good down here. It's free. So I think it's right here in this link. That link right there. See, it catches right there. And it frees up right there. I think that link is just tweaked a little bit. It's pretty common for that to happen. So let's just try tweaking it some way or the other and see what happens. So I'm gonna just go up on this like this and see if that does anything. Doesn't seem to be. I'm gonna go the other way, downward like this. Look at that. So it was a downward turn of that link right there. This has got a weird little curve to it. But just a little more. It's still winding right there. Huh. And it's still binding. Let's go tweak this a little more. I almost see it rubbing on the bottom of this lever right here. No, I guess that's okay. It's still not working as good as I would like. Let's bring this down a little bit more right here. And it's still binding right there. Let's go the other way. It's not much here. I think that's it. I sure would like to increase that spring. I think I just might. I might increase this spring down here. It's not binding, but it just seems like it should be stronger. Maybe not. I think I'll leave it until I service this completely and then decide if I want to strengthen this little spring right here. I know these are kind of a bitch to get in and off, so that might take a little bit. But I think we got the majority of it squared away here, so. All right. A lot of times it's just this little link between these two pieces. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.